Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Today is August the 10th. August the 10th, National S'mores Day. Yes, so for my campers, my Girl Scouts, this one is for you. I hope you all are doing wonderful. We've had some great August recipes and national holidays to start it off. So why National S'mores Day? I mean, if you have to ask, you have not been paying attention. Well, let's start with the origin of s'mores. So, s'mores was founded in 1927. This is true, and you could find it in the Girl Scouts camping manuals. At that time, they were not called s'mores, they were called some more because why not? They're delicious. So, they shortened the name to s'mores, and ever since then, that recipe has taken off. Why Good Time Gal loves it? It's the approachability, it's the creativity, and it's the fun of it. It's easy, it's adaptable, and everybody loves it. Whether you are a 70-year-old, whether you are a 20-year-old, or whether you are a 6-year-old who loves, graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate. And it's also a luxury to have if you really think about it. So I hope you enjoy this. Let's begin. There's also something else I wanted to clear up and clarify for people who have been watching. So the reason that I did this channel was to help the people who are using my actual food and lifestyle blog called Good Time Gal. These recipes are something that has been in my heart that I wanted to share. And I hope that we all enjoy it because they're equitable, they're fun, and hopefully it gives us something to celebrate and it encourages us to shine our light. Last year was when I started the blog with this channel. And what I'm doing is I'm going to make every recipe a video along with that blog post. So some of you are like, well, how are we doing that? Last year I did the odd days of the national holidays. This year I'm doing the even days of national holidays. And next year I will do the full year. So I will not be recording as much, but we're gonna have so much fun either way. And I hope that you are using these videos to prepare dishes for your families and your friends, and you guys are just doing what we want to do, which was food equity, which was teaching someone how to cook so they can feed others, who in turn will learn how to cook so they can feed others, because that's what it's about. So I just wanted to clarify that this is not something that I actually wanted to do, but I felt that I want to make sure people understand how easy cooking is and how approachable it can be. No matter who you are, you can have a luxurious meal, no matter the cost, and always stay positive, right? That's it, just positive vibes. All right, so now that we got that out the way, let's begin. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need graham crackers. You're gonna need large marshmallows. That's the key, large, not small. Don't go small with this. This is large. And then you're gonna need our favorite guy who shows up to the party, some Hershey's chocolate. That's it. So usually if we did this outside on a campfire, I would have some sticks that I have found in the wilderness. And I have made sure that I have cured them from any insects or pesticides that would be on there. And then we would stick the marshmallows onto that and we would put them into the campfire, and then we would take the chocolate, put it on one graham cracker, have another graham cracker, and we would smush it together and we make this super smelty sandwich. And oh my, when you eat it, that blend of graham cracker, chocolate, and marshmallow, it just yes, it will send you into a nidus overload of sweets. And that's what we want, because that's the whole point, because it's s'mores. You want some more. Yeah. But today, if you don't want to do the campfire, and if you're like, I'm not really into that outdoorsy stuff, I don't like bugs, I don't want to be outside, it's too hot, let's do indoor s'mores, because that's the recipe that I have on my blog, Good Time Gal. So let's do it, okay? Line your pan with parchment paper. Then set your broiler. We're gonna broil the graham crackers for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're gonna do the s'mores. And try to make sure your graham crackers are not broken. And now we're gonna preserve 8 more pieces, but we're gonna set those aside. Because remember, we're making a sandwich. Now we add the marshmallows. So each one gets 1 large marshmallow. Honestly, this is the hard part. It's not that hard. Getting there. A couple more seconds. All right. Now this is the quick work we do. You can now. The beauty of a s'more is to eat it when it's hot. Look at that. We did it. the sugar rush, baby. From my kitchen to yours. Happy National S'mores Day. Well, that's all the time we have. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and learning how to make those equitable indoor s'mores. From my kitchen to yours. Happy National S'mores Day.